Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on an Epson WF-3640. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen control panel found on the front of the printer. Now, although my printer is currently set into English, I'm going to make any button presses I do very clear so you can follow this regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you would like it changed to. So to get started, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already there, you have a dedicated home button to press to be taken here. Now, we need to go into Setup, which you can find in the bottom right hand side. It's got this symbol here with a screwdriver and a spanner. Press to go into that. And then the option we need is right at the bottom, so we're going to press the down arrow, again found in the bottom right hand corner. The menu we need to go into is System Administration, which is right at the bottom, so it's easy to find once you're on the screen. Press to go into that. And from here, we need to go into Common Settings, which is the second option down. So press to go into there. And then we need to go into Language. So if we press down again, bottom right hand side, Language is the middle option. Press to go into that. And now we have a full list of all the different languages your printer uses. You can navigate with the arrows if needed. But to get yourself where you need to be, press on the language you desire. And it's as simple as that. If this video has been useful for you, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.